Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're going to be looking at identifying polygons and nets. Now, this question is asking us to identify the regular polygon, and a regular polygon really leans into the word regular, right? It's a polygon that has the same sides, so that is same distance or length, and it's a polygon that has the same angles. So each interior angle is the same. So not added all together, each one individually looks the same. So what we're going to do on the side here, we're going to have the sides, we're going to have the angles. We're just going to make a little table. And in the table, I'm going to have a look at each of these shapes here. So this first shape that I'm looking at, so the one furthest left, right, some of you may know it as a parallelogram, right, where these sides and these sides are parallel. Now, immediately these sides are going to be the same, and these sides are going to be the same, but they're not the same as each other, right? So all four sides aren't the same, and the angles aren't the same. So immediately I know that the first shape is not a regular polygon. This second shape, the one that looks like a diamond, right? This seems to have the same side, the same length of side. So at least where that's concerned, we get a tick. But the problem is that this angle is definitely smaller than this angle. So same sides, but not the same angle. Now this shape here, I'm sure you're all familiar, a square, that has four sides that are the same, and each of the interior angles is 90 degrees. So the sides are the same, the angles are the same, so that is a regular polygon. Now, let's have a look at this last one here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so it's a pentagon. But looking at it, it's not even clear that this side is the same length as this side. And certainly, these angles here are definitely not the same. So, the sides aren't the same, the angles aren't the same. Therefore, the only one of these, which is a regular polygon, is the square. In this next question, we are asked to find the net of a three-dimensional shape. So that is, if I took the shape and I unfolded it, what would it look like? At the top, we've got a shape that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. It's a nonagon. And each of these sides, as you can see, has a little rectangle, maybe a square, that connects them. So, looking down the bottom, what I'm going to do is to try and match up each of the sides with a square. I make sure that these are all the same to begin with, right? And so what I'm looking for is a space for each of the connecting squares. So this one clearly connects here. I'm looking for this one here, which is going to connect here. This one connects with this. This is already connected. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then there goes there. So this one is a net of the same shape. The second one here, once again, we're looking to connect the squares. This square is all connected. This square is going to go with that. This square here actually connects to this. Therefore, this one goes here. This one over here. This one fits in this space. This square fits here. This square here. And this square with this. So once more, this connects. So the first thing we do, we check that the shapes are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we're going to try and match up the squares. This one is in this space here goes there, this one over here. This space is filled by this square, meaning this square goes here, this square goes here, this square here, and this square fits in here. So that one also works. Now looking at the last one, again, we're trying to find 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to try and match the squares to slot them in. So we start off with this. This one goes in here, but this is in the way of this. So immediately, I know that this can't work. Right? We can't fold over themselves. They have to slot into place, so to speak. So this I can immediately discard. So in answering the question, which of the following nets does not belong to the same object, it is this net here.